Hello everybody, this is George Norrie from Positive Financial Services, and today I'd like to introduce you to one of our mortgage specialists, Dennis Ho. Dennis, good morning. Thank you very much for joining us today. How are you?
Nice to be here. Good.
That's good, Dennis. Dennis, I'd like you to tell everyone here today what do you feel is the difference between going directly to a bank if somebody wants to finance a purchase or using a broker? What do you see as the advantages either way?
Well, I think the biggest benefit is the choice. As a mortgage broker, we have access to more than 40 lenders and hundreds of products. If you go directly to a bank, the bank manager won't tell you another bank's products. They just show you what they have. So you limit your choices. Secondly, a home application is not as easy as you think. There's a lot of small issues might derail your application. So it would be rather have some people helping you, give you some advice, which get the whole process smoothly.
Yeah,
that's my understanding.
Absolutely. So it's always good to have that professional looking after your best interest as a customer, as a client. Yeah. Okay. So, and if you wanted to transition yourself from being maybe a first-time buyer into an investor in property, again, that relationship, how do you see that going to a broker in that case?
Well, first thing, if you turn into a property investor, you have to treat it as a business. Business is a serious matter. So, I think for a successful property investment, you need to have a right loan product and correct structures and also the right features to help you move forward.
One of the other things I know that you specialise in is mortgage reduction. So you in fact teach people how to pay their loans off very, very quickly. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
It's a little bit, well, it's not very complicated, but what you need to do is set up a correct loan structure. We use a lot of 100% offset account, which link to your own home. And you use the tax benefits and the rental, which can help you pay off your own home quicker.
Look, I agree with you. I think having the right structure is absolutely vital, whether you're an owner-occupier or whether you're a serious investor. I think to be able to move forward, structure is absolutely vital, and I know you're a specialist in that area. So it's a real pleasure to have you on board, and you're a real asset to both our clients and to our business. So thanks very much for taking the time. Just before you go, Dennis, if there's one thing you'd like to share with our clients today, the people viewing here today, what would that be? One piece of advice. Tell us.
Well, my advice is if you want to be a property investor, you need to treat this as a business. You need to be disciplined and know your budget. That's what I can say.
Okay. Thanks for your time, Dennis.
Thanks, George.
Thank you.